back. I'm Tedward, and today we are in the 981 GT4 Club Sport with my buddy Eddie, the race car driver that you know and love in his Civic Type R with Acuity Instruments, and he actually wears my logo on that car too.
I do.
We're at Thompson Motorsports Park in Connecticut, and I'm gonna have my first go in this car. I'm a little nervous just because I haven't been on track a whole lot. The last time I was on track was in a NSX Type S at Daytona, which sounds really exciting and outrageous, but you know, we weren't going crazy fast. So now we're gonna try to pilot this bad boy around Thompson and have a little bit of fun. Try to dip into the 120s. I don't know. We're on 200 treadwear tires, nothing outrageous, not slicks, but it's got 385 horsepower. It's a 3.8 liter dry sump flat six, so it can definitely handle the lateral G-force, no problems there. Not a whole lot of torque, only 310 pound-feet of torque, except that you know as well as I do that it's all about keeping those revs up, and on a racetrack, we'll be just fine. We have PDK. Club Sports only come with PDK, and it's a 6-speed PDK. Over here, you've got your main switch, you've got ABS. We're not gonna play with our traction today, but we are gonna have a good time in the car. So, let's get ready and go for a drive. the tires like...
Tires went like 4 laps in.
Yeah, like I was all, like it was very squirrely. When it was good and I was getting used to it, but then...
Yeah, no, I felt it too, and I figured you just back off.
Yeah, no, it just wasn't gonna keep going, but I did is that really mine?
That's yours.
All right, it has a scrappy, shitty lap too, so that's good. It's crazy because like the brakes amazing, everything else feels great, but once the grip starts to go away,
that's a 200 Tedward tire, you know. Once I showed you the basics of the laps, you had it down.
I still needed a little coaching because I was like, what am I supposed to do right here? Blah 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 blah.
Hey, you did a good job.
Like,
I thought it was good.
All right.
So, I mean, for your first time in a long time going on track in a car that you've never been in.
Well, plus I don't want to break someone else's car. All right, it's probably okay to kill this.
Yeah, kill.
Oh man.